Hey guys, Joe here with Cannon's RV Repair. Today we're working on a Furrion 12 volt refrigerator. It's got the code FF ER, which basically means that the fan is not working properly or turning on. If you come down here, we're working on a model FCR16DCA-SA-BG. So we've already taken the cover off that's inside here. This is not something that's very easily done by customers, just so you guys know. I have another video that shows how to take these off if you guys are interested in watching that. So we've taken it out, but the fan plugs in there, and so does the temperature reader. So here's what it looks like on the back side. There's a fan inside here, and this is what has failed to work. So we tried to jump the power to see if we could get it to work, to eliminate any problems with the board up on top. But on this specific unit, the fan is going to end up needing to be replaced in order to repair the problem of getting that code. So if you're having that code, just know that basically this fan is not working and it's not sending any air over to the refrigerator side, because that's what it does. So until next time, be sure to subscribe and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.